For more theory videos, visit my website. If you find this video helpful, please let me know. Information and data terminology are often used interchangeably, although in fact they do not mean the same thing. Data is raw, unorganized facts that needs to be processed. Data can be simple and seemingly random until it is organized. Information is processed, organized data. Information provides context for data. It is useful data. An example that can be used to illustrate the difference between data and information is bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is designed to generate data about activities of an organization, while accounting is designed to turn that data into information. Information can be thought of as forward-looking, financial and non-financial, quantitative and qualitative, neutral meaning free from bias, and often comparable information, used for strategic, tactical, and operational decision-making. It can be used for performance analysis. This can be analysis of the business as a whole, individual departments, or product lines. It can be used to value inventory, optimize the use of resources through forecasting, and prepare future business plans. And it can be used for control purposes through the likes of budgeting and variance analysis. Accounting information helps users make better financial or managerial decisions. Internal information can be internally generated. For example, the likes of financial accounting records, personnel records. For example, the number of employees, the hours worked by employees, and so forth. Production department records. For example, daily outputs, machine breakdowns, maintenance records, and so forth. External information comes from sources outside the organization. For example, external audit reports, market research, government reports and statistics, customer orders, invoices from suppliers, newspaper articles, and so forth. Primary information is information gathered for a specific purpose, and secondary information is information not gathered for a specific purpose, but which can be used in different ways. Quantitative information is information expressed in numbers. Qualitative information is information expressed in words. It cannot be expressed in numbers. And non-financial information is information not expressed in terms of money. The qualities of good information. Information should be accurate, complete, cost-effective, understandable, relevant, authoritative, time-sensitive, and easy to use. Accurate. Information needs to be reliable. Otherwise, incorrect actions may be taken by management. Complete. Information should provide the whole picture, meaning facts and figures should not be missing. A balance needs to be struck between the amounts of information supplied. Too much, and managers may not have enough time to process the information. Too little, and managers will have not enough information in order to make good decisions. Information should be complete, but to the point. Just enough information and no more. Cost effective. Information is no good if the cost of gathering and processing the information is more costly than the benefit of having the information. Understandable. Information should already be in a summarized form. Remember, just enough information and no more. It also needs to be understandable. There is no use sending out a report filled with abbreviations if no one understands them. Information should be adapted to the skill and knowledge of the people using it. Relevant. Information is only good if it's relevant, meaning the information supplied should be meaningful to the user. Provision of irrelevant information wastes time and money and can lead to managers overlooking relevant information due to information overload. Authoritative. Information should come from a reliable source. People need to feel they can trust and rely on the information supplied. Time sensitive. Information needs to be up to date and delivered at the right time. Delivering information too soon can lead to becoming obsolete or forgotten by the time it is needed, while information delivered too late can lead to delays or missed opportunities. The time gap between information collection and presentation should be reduced as much as possible. Easy to use. Information should be communicated in a way that's clear and easy to use. When reporting and presenting information, you should think PALE: purpose, audience, information, layout. What is the purpose of the report? Is your report aligned to the organization's mission and strategies? Think of the audience. Should the report be technical information or reported in layman's terms? And what detail level is required of the report? Care has to be taken to assess the appropriate level of detail, layout, and terminology used in reports, so that users will properly understand the information that is provided. Information should be relevant. This ties back to the first two considerations of purpose and audience. There are 3 levels of information for decision making: strategical, tactical, operational. Strategic information. Information required at this level tends to be used at the very top level of management for long-term planning. It is mostly external in nature. For example, market share, competitor analysis, and comparison. Strategical information is usually produced in a summarized form on an ad hoc basis. Tactical information. Information at this level tends to be instructions from the strategic level. Strategical information can be fleshed out at the tactical information level. Plans at this level tend to have a higher degree of detail than strategical information. They tend to have specific objectives geared towards implementation by operational employees. Tactical information can be internal and external in nature. For example, inventory turnover and customer satisfaction. Operational information. This is the lowest level of information and tends to be operational plans based on tactical information. Information at this level is internal in nature, for example, inventory levels. Timescales are usually very short, anything from immediate to daily, weekly, or monthly. Results of operational work will be passed upwards to the tactical level, and then summarized and passed to strategic levels for long-term strategic plans to be evaluated. Layout must help users to understand the information presented and to see quickly the important amounts, trends, results, and explanations. Does the report best display trend information to the user? Should, for example, a graph or table be used? What layout would best convey the information? Reports that are not too cluttered allow the important information to be easily seen and understood. And narratives help explain the information presented in numerical forms. For more theory videos, visit my website. If you found this video helpful, please let me know.